This video is for every Mac user. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors. You think you know your Mac pretty well? Think about it again. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 hidden features of macOS that a lot of people do not talk about. Even Apple does not highlight such features. And once you learn them, they are going to become pretty handy for you. Feature number 1. Emoji keyboard shortcut. Press 3 buttons together, Control, Command, Space, and boom, right there you get a small window for emojis. And from here, you can go ahead and type a document or maybe an email, make a note, insert emojis conveniently from this window. Feature number 2. Move files via Spotlight Search. Did you know you can click on the Spotlight Search icon right side top corner, then in the Spotlight Search go ahead and type a name of document. Let's say I type in here test file, and the file is listed right here on my screen. Now if I want to move it from here to anywhere, or I want to drop it in an email, I can do it right from here. Just simply press this file and move it. Let's say I move it to desktop. There you go. This is a pretty handy feature for most of the users when they're simply attaching a file to their email without locating them manually. Number 3. Built-in screen recorder. Did you know that your QuickTime player is just not a movie player or video file player? It is a lot more than that. You go ahead and open or click on QuickTime Player. Now at the left side top corner next to Apple icon, you're going to notice QuickTime Player. Next to that, File. Click on File. New movie recording, new audio recording, new screen recording. Let's click on Screen Recording. Now I have a markup screen and I can simply go ahead and drag it down or up and switch it to whatever I want. And I can select any area. In fact, I can move this space from here to anywhere, and I can record a specific area of my display. Not only that, there's a screen recording menu at the bottom, and if you notice, there's a second option right here, record entire screen. If I want to record everything from my screen, I can click on it and then hit the record button and you're on the go. If you want to simply capture something on your screen, from the same menu you have got 3 options available right here. You wish to capture the selected portion, click on it. Now move this portion anywhere you want. Again, you can simply reduce the size and expand it. Also, you can go ahead and capture the selected window. If you've got some programs open, you can go ahead and select those programs specifically, and then you can capture that selected photo. You can also capture the entire screen by hitting this button and click on capture. That's it. Number 4. Preview files with the spacebar. Select any file or folder in any location and press the spacebar just to preview that. Number 5. Dictation with punctuation. Without using any third-party application, you can also dictate and make notes on your Mac computers. And to enable that, you need to go to System Settings, look for Keyboard, scroll down this menu, Keyboard at the bottom. Now scroll down on the right and enable Dictation. Right from here, enable. Hey Maddie, what's up? What are you doing this weekend? Feature number 6, you get Hidden Web Inspector in Safari. And this is especially for the advanced users. Open Safari at the left side top corner, click on Safari, then Settings, and navigate to Advanced, the last option in the list. And here at the very bottom, you're going to see Show Features for Web Developers. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, the developers menu is now integrated in the menu bar as well as in the settings bar right here. Also, you get it at the top over here. Now you can conveniently inspect elements on any website. You can debug and even simulate mobile devices, all built in without a third-party tool. Feature number 7, Hot Corners. Get to System Settings, click on Desktop and Dock. Scroll down till the bottom, and here at the bottom you see Hot Corners. Click on it. Now here you can go ahead and set all your display corners to a specific feature. As I've set up here, lock screen to the left top corner, left bottom corner, I've got Launchpad, right top corner, I have a Start Screensaver, and right bottom corner, I have Quick Note. And now, conveniently, enable screensaver just like that, or you can also go ahead and access the Launchpad right from here. You can go ahead and also access notes right from the right side bottom corner. Also lock this screen. Here's the last feature number 8. Change the label location for files and folders. This is not super essential, but some users may find it interesting and may like it, like I prefer it myself. So at the moment, we have labels for the folders and files at the bottom. By making a right click on the display, click on Show View Options, and from here, label position, change it to right. Now it looks slightly different and a little bit more like a list view. So I prefer this look for the labels instead of having them at the bottom. Well, I'm done in this video, and let me ask you how many of these features you knew already. Go ahead and type me in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.